Now, since we know how to convert from standard form to polar form and also vice versa, therefore, now we can do operation of complex number in polar form. So what is the operation that we want to go through? We want to multiply two complex number, we want to divide two complex number, we want to take the power, and also we want to take the root. Okay, for your information, when you take the power or you take a root of a complex plane, so that is the Moivre's theorem. Now let's see here for the first one and the second formula, which is multiply and also divide. So let's say you have a two complex number here in terms of polar form. Z1 is equal to R1 in bracket cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. And for the second one, let's name it as Z2 equal to R2 in bracket cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. So now let's look at the operation that we want to do. We want to find the product of two complex number. So what happened here in the formula is for R, you just multiply them up since this is multiplying. Okay, so let's open up the bracket and the structure should be the same. This is cos plus I sin. Okay, the difference is on your angle. So what happened to your angle? Let's see. If you are doing product, you should add up your angle. Okay, let's see the formula for quotient for dividing. Let's say you are dividing Z1 divided by Z2. So what happened to your R? Outside here, you just divide it. So R is always following what you are doing right now. Since you are dividing, this is also divide. And then just open up your bracket. Let's write the structure cos plus I sin. And for your angle, when you are dividing, you need to minus your angle. So be careful. You must make sure your final answer, the argument theta, must be in terms of one cycle from 0 until 2 pi. For example, if you have angle more than 2 pi, for example, you have 390 degree, what you should do is you must open up the angle using coterminal angle. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. For example, you have 390 degrees, so you just open up one cycle and then you find out what is the reference angle here. So this is just equal to 30 degree because you just take calculator and then minus it by 360 degree. So you'll find the coterminal angle. So instead of doing 390 degree, which is not in one cycle, you need to replace it with 30 degree later on. Okay, let's say your angle is minus 30 degree. Okay, this is also not in one cycle. This is less than 0, right? Okay, so again, you need to open up using coterminal angle. Let me show you. So minus 30 degree is you are going clockwise. Okay, this is it, minus 30 degree. You need to read it anti-clockwise like this. All right, so this is just 330 degree. So instead of writing minus 30 degree, you should write your final answer in 330 degree. Now let's apply the formula that we have learned before. Given two complex numbers, so you have Z equal to 12 cos 45 degree plus I sin 45 degree. And also you are given W, another complex number. You are given W equal to 2 in bracket cos 75 degree plus I sin 75 degree. So what does the question want? The question wants you to find Z times W. So this is product, and also you need to find the quotient Z divided by W. So let's apply the formula. Z times W for product. For R in front here, you just multiply them up and then open up the bracket, write the structure cos plus I sin, and then let's work out on the angle. For the angle, you need to add them up. If you add them up, it is 120 degrees, so just rewrite it. So this is your final answer if your question wants you to give your answer in polar form. However, if the question asks you to give in standard form, so this is very simple. You just open up this value here. You can use calculator, no problem. And then just multiply 24 inside. You should find your answer minus 12 plus 12 set 3i. So if your question asks you to give in standard form or rectangular form, you need to give your answer in terms of Z equal to A plus BI. So this is it. Okay, so don't forget to multiply 24 inside the value of the bracket. So let's see another one. The question asks you for quotient as well. So for R, you just divide them. Okay, and then open a bracket, write the structure cos plus I sin. And then for the angle, let's minus the angle. Okay, so when you minus the angle, you will find this is minus 30 degree. So since this is minus 30 degree, let's open up using coterminal angle. Okay, so this is how you should do it. Minus 30 degree is going clockwise. So let's read your answer in one cycle. So this is just 360 degree minus 30 degree. So this is 330 degree. Let's rewrite your angle. This is your answer in polar form. However, if the question asks you to give in standard form z equal to a plus bi, let's open up this one. You can use calculator and then just multiply 6 inside. So this should be your answer, 3 minus 3i.